Meksikolainen Javiera matkasi 6125 kilometrin matkan Helsingin Mellun kylään, tehdäkseen Mellun kylästä maailman parhaimman lähiön elää.
I was really interested because they talk about these problems of the suburb, and I'm coming from Mexico City, and we have a lot of problems with community and some similar projects. So that's why I started being interested, and I joined to the group to learn about how they are looking for solutions with community. The first thing that I realized of the place was this really easygoing place. You have a lot of facilities there. You have a supermarket, the metro station, nature surrounding. So I think people is like really calm, and they don't have any problem with different people there. They have a lot of diversity of culture, so we didn't feel like foreigners there.
Javiera oli osallisena Aalto-yliopiston projektia, jossa joukko opiskelijoita asettuivat Mellunkylään 2 kuukaudeksi. Tehtävänä oli luoda luovia tulevaisuuden näkymiä paikallisten kanssa.
The goal was looking for some scenarios where you can think ways to bring this well-being for people. The goal was having these huge pictures of how it could be in a different way. For our scenario, we think that a private journalist in future is going to be a really important fact, because this is how we can bring this honest way of expressing qualities of the place. So that is something important. Also this network organizing, because in this way you can show the diversity of the place. That is also something really important here in Mellunkylä. And of course, new social organizing will facilitate to communicate with others, not only with Mellunkylä people, but with other cities and maybe other countries like Mexico. Yeah, because people is interested in making this place better. So if now have these qualities and they work for having a better place, of course, would be really nice in future.